Hey, what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are designing a simple practice object. This is very simple object by only my method, so follow my methods, so subscribe my channel. Let's start. This is our SolidWorks interface. So firstly we need to select the front plane and click on sketch. This is our sketch or the drawing. So firstly we need to draw the baseline or the height line and simply draw the profile of the object and give the dimension to that vertical line as 32 mm and the horizontal line dimension as 10 mm and next vertical line dimension as 10 mm. Now we need to draw the arc. It is correct half circle, so we are using 3-point arc and give the dimension to that arc as 5r or the r5, and by using the endpoint of that arc we are again draw the arc and give the dimension as r12, which is as per our sketch. Now we are again drawing the line and give the dimension to that horizontal line as 5 mm and vertical line dimension as 6 mm. Again we need to draw the lines and give the dimension as 6 mm and horizontal line dimension as 5 mm. Now we need to draw the bottom arc. So for that, firstly draw the line from the origin point. Now go to the arc, choose the 3-point arc and draw the arc between that points. Give the line dimension as 39 mm and draw the arc and give the dimension to that R as R9. Now our sketching is complete, so exit sketch, go to the extrude boss and select the extruded length as 36 mm, then click on OK. This is very simple object. Our object is complete. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more video like that. Hit the like button.